I think it represents a real step forward for the overall international religious freedom movement, and it just no better place than Berlin for this kind of gathering. The symbolism of the Berlin Wall, of Checkpoint Charlie, and all that represents in terms of division and the past geopolitics, and the one we're in now, where those threats are really alive again. But one of the framing comments that you made, Wade, at the beginning of the event, that we should be looking for more walls to tear down. I think that frames things perfectly, and so I was encouraged by this event. And again, I think just Berlin was the perfect setting for us to issue that challenge and then to move forward on it.